But first, let's send things to the much warmer Outreach Studios, where my friend student meteorologist Jacob Morse waits with the short-range forecast. Jacob, you had the right idea staying inside today.
Yeah, Christopher, it was a great day to stay warm and stay inside, as there was an icy mess of precipitation out there through most of the Commonwealth, and it was a very dreary and gray day. If you didn't make it outside today, you weren't missing much, with widespread cloudiness and some freezing rain, sleet, and snow in some parts of the Commonwealth throughout the day today. Those overcast skies continue throughout the Keystone State, and some of that freezing rain was impacting especially central Pennsylvania throughout the day today. Altoona and Lancaster picking up 0.08 of an inch of freezing rain, and then in these other cities picking up over 1/10 of an inch of ice accretion. Doesn't take much freezing rain to cause some travel troubles, some slick spots on untreated surfaces and bridges on roads and highways. We were most concerned with the freezing rain in the Laurel Highlands and in Johnstown. They picked up 0.15 inches of freezing rain. The good news was that there weren't many power outages down there in the Laurel Highlands, just a few outages in Somerset County. But there will still be some freezing precipitation in northeastern PA as we go into the overnight hours tonight. That's why a winter weather advisory is still in effect for parts of the Endless Mountains and the Poconos until 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. So here's what the radar loop looked like throughout the day today. A mixed bag of precipitation, as Christopher mentioned, with some snow showers in the northern tier, a mix of sleet and freezing rain in central Pennsylvania. The big story was that it was a rather moisture-starved system, so the precipitation came in spurts. Some periods of some moderate precipitation, other periods of just some light drizzle or light rain shower activity, in the liquid precipitation was reserved to southwestern Pennsylvania, where temperatures were able to stay above freezing throughout the day today. Otherwise, the name of the game was if you were below freezing, below 32 degrees, that's when you saw freezing precipitation in central and eastern Pennsylvania throughout the day today. As we widen this picture out to the entire lower 48, notice this big dividing line. This is where a cold front is situated, with much colder air in the central and northern plains. We'll be getting into a much colder air mass as we go into the latter portion of the work week. We'll be seeing temperatures below freezing like they're seeing right now in the plains as we go into Thursday and Friday, and even into the upcoming weekend as well. The satellite radar picture across the United States shows that system moving into New England now, bringing them some snow shower activity. And notice another atmospheric river event moving into the western United States. That'll provide some rainfall to the desert Southwest and California throughout the next couple of days. So our system will be moving off to the east over the next several hours throughout the overnight hours tonight. That frozen precipitation will be tapering off where it is still falling. And then another system will track to our south as we go into the day on Wednesday night and into Thursday. That'll miss us entirely, and we can see that on the IBM graph model here that'll show you the precipitation in northeastern Pennsylvania will taper off as we go into the evening hours tonight. Some lingering freezing drizzle or some freezing rain is still possible in the higher elevations of the Laurel Highlands throughout the overnight hours tonight, but all of that will move out by the early morning commute tomorrow. Some sunshine, especially in central and eastern PA for the day tomorrow, otherwise remaining cloudy. And you see that storm system passing down to the south of us. That'll bring in that much colder air as it intensifies out over the Atlantic Ocean. We'll be getting a lot breezier as we go into the day on Thursday. But first, here's your forecast for the overnight hours tonight. As I mentioned, lingering freezing drizzle and snow showers in northeastern PA, as well as in the higher elevations of the Laurel Highlands. That's where some of those slick spots will still be prevalent. Otherwise, not dropping down to temperatures that are too cold for this time of year, into the 20s and lower 30s throughout the overnight hours tonight. Then as we go into the day tomorrow, brighter down in the Susquehanna River Valley as well as in southeastern PA. Otherwise, overcast conditions with some scattered snow showers possible up by Lake Erie. And as we go into the day on Thursday, that's when those gusts come in from the northwest at 25 to 30 miles per hour. Some wind chills in the single digits as that cold shot of air really starts to hit Pennsylvania. Dr. John Neese is here with Long Shots coming up next.